Vanda Podransky was badly treated by his classmates. They were badly treated by Peggy and Maddie. Both the friend badly treated Vanda Podransky. Vanda was not given due respect. Vanda was not given due respect. She was often teased. She was teased by her classmate. So here we see. But in spite of that, Vanda shows a big character. How she showed the big character? She won the contest. She drawn hundred of dresses and she was the winner. But her father was badly hurt by the behavior of Peggy and Maddie. So he decided to leave the small city. They decided to go to the big city, where the common names, the usual names like Vanda Podransky are many. I have already told you, and you have already learnt, that Vanda was insulted due to her poverty, due to her dress. Appearances are always deceptive. All that glitters are not gold, my dear friend. If you believe in somebody's appearance, it is you are in big mistake. You are in big folly. So my dear friend, if your friend, whoever is in your reading in the class, it is you to give him respect and regard. The respect and regard that is given by you will earn respect for you also. Vanda was treated not good. Peggy was not a bad girl. She only means to make fun of her. And Maddie, she doesn't like that Peggy was her close friend. What she did? She used to start the game, the dress game, the 100 dress game. So, then what happened? So they reached, after when the letter came, there was no sign of life about the house. Peggy knocked on firmly the door, so they reached the Boggin Heights. Peggy and Maddie. They decided to go to the Vanda's house so that they can say sorry. And at the same time, they wanted to inform Vanda that she had won the first prize in the contest. There they go, but Vanda was not there. There they go, but the Vanda was not there. And the doors were no answer. She and Maddie went around the backyard and knocked there. Still there was no answer. about it, the Petronskis were gone. They have already left that place, that is the Boggins Height. Boggins Height. Who were the Petronsky? How could they make the amendment? To make an amendment means what? If you want to make an amendment, make an amendment. Make amendment. Make amends. Saying sorry by doing good. They want to correct their mistakes. If somebody wants to make amend, he show that he is sorry and doing such things. Well, anyway, she is gone now. So what can we do? Besides, when I was asking her about her all dresses, she probably was getting good idea of her doing. Here you see the child psychology. Peggy, though she was also hurt, but what a good opinion she was giving. That at least she has taken some leaf, some idea. Idea about what? About the 100 dresses. About the 100 dresses that she had painted. It was due to Peggy. It was due to Peggy who invented the game. It was due to the Peggy who invented the game of 100 dresses. Given him the idea to paint the 100 dresses. So here you see, she might not even have won the contest otherwise. Maggie turned the idea carefully over her head. For if there was anything in it, she would not have to feel so badly. But the night she could not get to sleep. She thought about Wenda and her faded blue dress and the little house she had lived in. And she thought of the glowing pictures those 100 dresses made, all lined up in the classroom. At last, Maddie sat up in the bed and pressed her forehead tight in the hand and thought. This was the hardest thing she done. After a long time, she reached an important conclusion. Here you see what conclusion Maddie reached. What she concluded. What she concluded. She was never going to stand by the way nothing again. What she that is what she concluded. She was never going to stand by and say nothing again. Here you see. This is what she stand. She concluded that she was never going to stand by. Now she is not going to stand by whom? Stand by whom? Peggy. किसके अब उसके सपोर्ट में मैं नहीं रहूंगी. ऐसे नथिंग अगेन. अब वो कुछ नहीं कहेगी. If she ever had anybody picking someone's because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, she would speak up. Here you see. At next conclusion. Number 1. Now come to the number 2. This is number 1. Now come to the number 2. Come to the number 2. Number 2. What she said? If she ever she ever heard anybody picking on someone's because they were funny looking. There you see. Now she has made up her mind that if anybody is looking funny, okay? If anybody is looking funny and had a strange name, she would speak out. अगर कोई, if she never had heard, अगर उसने सुना, what she heard, that anybody picking on someone because they are funny looking, कोई अगर कोई किसी का मजाक कर रहा है, funny looking है, और because they had a strange name. Names. She would speak up. She would speak up. Speak up. There you see. Their resolution. Now, Maddie has decided. These are the conclusion. She concluded that if she ever heard that somebody is picking on someone, if somebody is trying to make fun of a student, picking someone, if you pick on someone trying to make fun of because they have funny lookings or they have strange names, she would speak up. अब वो बोलेगी. This is what the transformation. Dear friend, take a leaf, take an example. If ever you hear that somebody is picking your friend on account of his look, on account of his body shame, I am repeatedly using this word, body shame, then she would speak up. Then she will speak and raise the voice against that she should not be insulted. Because you see, why picking on someone? If you are picking up someone, किसी को चुन लिया, उसका मजाक उड़ाना, what is the point in it? Is there any point in it? No, never. Not at all. But funny thing is that unnecessarily, deliberately or intentionally, of course there should be no deliberation. If you are not intention, Why there is a bad intention? A bad intention will never result in good result. So we need not to have these kind of intention, the bad intentions. Whatever the intention we have, we should not have. And it is our duty to speak up. Speak up. Speak up others what? Any body shame. Try to make your student, your friends, your colleagues, that they should not comment upon. They should not comment upon on anybody else on account of his body shape. This is a poor thing and it should not be done. Is it okay? Now come to the next. She would speak up, even it means losing Peggy's friendship. Now she was ready that even if she is going to lose her friend, Peggy, she will not bother. She will speak up. She had no way of making things right with Wanda. But from now on, she would never make anybody else unhappy again. Never. Here you see, she had no way of. Look at the lines and see. And please see. She had no way. She had no way of making things right. Things right. Making things right. किसी चीज को सही नहीं कर सकती थी वो. Making things right with Wanda. But from now on, she would never make anybody else unhappy. Again. Here you see. Here you could see, my dear friend, what a great decision she had made. Now Wanda, she has decided that now she had no way in making the things right with Wanda. Wanda जो चीजें वो उसको right नहीं कर सकती थी, because it was a past. But from now on, she would never make anybody else unhappy again. This is the resolution and the conclusion that she came. Resolutions, mistakes are possible. You are a child, and it is quite natural that you will commit mistakes. But corrections are done in that way. You should try to amend your mistakes. The lesson that Maddie has learned, that she should speak, she should raise voice against Peggy, but she could not do so. She could not do so because she feared that she might lose her close friend, Peggy. Now, when the incident has taken place and Wanda has left the city, now these are the resolutions that she had no way to correct the Wanda, but from now means the present time, she would never make anybody else happy. So, dear friend, the story that is told has lesson. It is meant for you. You take some lessons. How you can make yourself good. If somebody is good, of course, he has adopted some good quality. These are the good quality that you can adopt. Try to take lesson. Try to learn. Otherwise, without learning, it is not possible. We should take examples from the life of the story, the character that we read. Here the character that we are reading, the story that we are reading, giving us information that correction is done in that. Now come to the next. Unhappy again. On Saturday, Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. They were writing a letter to Wanda Petronsky. It was just a friendly letter. Then what she decided? Come to the next point. They were writing, Peggy and Maddie. We are writing a letter to Wanda Petronsky. Petronsky को लेटर लिख रहे हैं. It was just a friendly letter. It was just a friendly letter. ये friendly letter था. Friendly letter about the contest. Friendly letter telling about contest. Telling about contest. It was a friendly letter. What was telling about? About the contest. Which contest? The painting contest. About the contest and telling Wanda that she had won. They told her how pretty her drawings were. And they asked her if she liked where she was living, if she liked the new teacher. They write that if she liked the new place where the Wanda has settled, and the new school where she is reading. And they asked if she was leaving the teacher. They had meant to say that they were sorry. In fact, through this letter, the friend in rule number 13 want to say sorry. Realization, saying sorry is a good thing. Make your heart clean. If you say sorry, there should not be ego that why should I say sorry. In saying sorry, you win many hearts. You are not going to lose anything, my dear friend. So, it's my suggestion that learn to say sorry, thank you. These words have a great power. These words have great power. And if you could say something to somebody, it's not a bad thing, my dear friend. Here you see, Peggy and Maddie, they want to say sorry. They want to say sorry. सॉरी कहना चाहते हैं. किसको सॉरी कहना चाहते हैं? तो वेंडा पोट्रोंस्की. And they told her, okay, she want to say sorry, but it ended up with their just writing a friendly letter. The kind they would have written to any good friend, and they signed it in lots. X for love. They made the letter to Boggin Heights, writing please forward on the end. So here you see the after reaction. How the children look at the change in the heart. How change in the heart. Dear friend, a child is after all a child. He immediately realizes his mistakes. So far as my experience is concerned, in your classroom, you never do anything intentionally. You have one and only one goal, that is fun. But for some time, fun gets ugly. How making fun gets ugly? We should give second thought. We should give second thought that if we are trying to make fun of somebody, we should not do it. And if we are doing it, it's a very poor thing. Very, very poor thing. And we should get rid of that habit. Dear friend, their transformation. Look at the conclusions. What Maggie concluded. Now Maggie wants to speak up. Now there was a change. You should have also these kinds of words. That you should be ready to change yourself. If you are ready to change yourself, then you are a very, very successful. It's my request to change. Now if you have any query, please ask. I am waiting for your query. If you have any query, please ask. I am waiting for you. Here you see, Paddy and Maggie, they decided to write a letter. Why they decided to write the letter? They decided to write the letter so that they could say sorry. So that they could say sorry to her friend, Wanda. In fact, they intended to inform her that she won the contest. So here, my dear friend, you could see and understand. So if you have any query, please ask. I am waiting for you. Yes? Why did girls write Wanda? My question is that, why did the girls write to Wanda? Here is a question for you. Here is a question for you. Why did girls write to Vanda? Number one. Number two. Did you will do that? Did they get a reply? क्या उनको जवाब मिलता है? ये दो क्वेश्चंस आपको करने हैं. You have to attempt these two questions and answer it in brief. Answer it in brief. Please note down and try to answer it in brief. Thank you. Have a nice day.